now I'm ready.
Let's do it.
At time 1610, runway condition code 6, runway 23 right. At time 1610, runway condition code 6, transition level 70, VOR unserviceable, wind 260 degrees, 4 knots, OK, temperature 15, dew point 12, QMH 1006 hectopascal or 29.71 inches. Nosy. Information Lima out. Outdoor.
We have Lima.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the airport?
Which airport? Let's see. No, I missed that because I was
Because it's at the end. It's at the end of the recording, right? So this is Düsseldorf.
Okay.
Information.
So the time we have 1600. Yeah.
Fine. Yes.
Yeah. The runway, the 23 right. The updates for the time, and then we have the transition level, and also wind like direction and knots.
Yes.
The temperature and QNH also.
Yes.
So nothing
Awesome.
in particular.
There was a VOR unserviceable. I don't remember the exact name of the VOR. I will listen to it again and figure it out. What is Cabo K? Do you remember what Cabo K is?
Yeah, I used it a few months ago, but I forgot. Sorry.
So it's ceiling.
Yes, about clouds, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, right. So it means that from the surface up to 5,000 feet, it's completely clear.
Yeah, clear. Right.
So we have unlimited visibility and clear skies.
Yeah, perfect for VFR flights, true.
Yeah, correct. Exactly. That's my favorite word in aviation, right?
Yes, yeah. So, like, I got used to it, so I didn't pay attention. So if it's Kawak, we can fly.
Charlie 60 Mike Heavy, can the information is Foxtrot. There's a row from Machino Airport, Happy 3 departure. Canarsie, climb. Vectors, Yahoo, then as filed for 3035.
Okay.
I heard like 3035.
3035, easy.
Forward,
yes. So she says, plus vectors.
Yeah.
So she says, Happy 3 departure, Canarsie climb, vectors to Yahoo, and then as filed. As filed. That is the route, right? And the other information is unnecessary.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Want to try another one? You don't know the airport. The airport was Kennedy.
Oh, okay.
Next one. Ready? Next one.
Eurowings 9, X-ray Romeo, good morning, QNH 1036, company or correction, Ryanair traffic, taxiing right to left behind, give way to them, then you can push and start tug release point Charlie.
Longer.
Yeah, so there's like a traffic that they need to give them way, something like that. Yeah, so.
No problem, that's good.
Yeah.
You have to give way to a company and then?
Yeah, could you repeat it again?
Eurowings 9, X-ray Romeo, good morning, QNH 1036, company or correction, Ryanair traffic, taxiing right to left behind, give way to them, then you can push and start tug release point Charlie.
Yeah, traffic right to left, yeah.
Yeah. And he says give way to them and then?
Like to point Charlie, yes, something.
Release point Charlie. This was Dublin. It's a completely different phraseology.
Yeah. Right? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so I haven't heard anything like that before.
Of course. Yeah. But this is like I said, this is the adaptability of radiotelephonic communications.
Runway 02 Romeo, request taxi. Runway 02 Romeo, taxi via link 5 Fox Header, short link 6. Link 5 Fox Header, hold short link 6, Ryanair 82 Romeo.
Okay, complicated, very complicated. I was very surprised in W. Okay, ready for next one?
Yeah.
The line, Eurowings line, X-ray Romeo from Hotel 1, turn right, enter runway 34. Then it's November, hold at Neptune.
What do you guys think? What do girls think?
Again, requesting the direction for runway 34, and then something like hold short, so waiting before a specific point, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, that's the gist. Yes. What do you think, Marta? Any other details?
No, I managed to capture exactly the same. There was something, I think, before the point 10, November, Charlie, something.
Awesome. So let's listen to it again. I am going to take notes while we listen to it, okay? I cannot do it at the same time, so stupid.
Eurowings line, X-ray Romeo from Hotel 1, turn right, enter runway 34. Then it's November, hold at Neptune.
So
November Hotel, something?
Yeah.
He says from Hotel 1, enter runway 34. Runway 34 was not the runway in use, so it was a closed runway for arrivals and departures, meaning that we taxied on the runway. Then he said November, and then hold at a specific point. Please, please let me know the name of this point.
The line, Eurowings line, X-ray Romeo from Hotel 1, turn right, enter runway 34. Then it's November, hold at Neptune.
Hold that. Neptune. What? What the hell is Neptune? So in that specific
not what we expect.
Yes,
of course, what the hell is Neptune? So in that specific airport, there is a specific point that is called Neptune. Nowhere else in the world with that point exists, right?
Can Express 9 Fox from Romeo. Good afternoon, I'm going to make my ready for departure. Yeah, good afternoon, Roger. However, please kindly expedite your taxi so that you can be ready at the runway once your cabin gets ready, because your slot is expiring in 4 minutes. Roger, thank you so much.
So the pilot says, I'll call you when ready. Yeah. And ATC says, Roger, but, well, he doesn't say but, he says however. However what? This is the important part.
Wait at the vicinity. I'm just putting everything together at the vicinity of the runway, because something expires in 4 minutes.
Good. Expires sounds good. Expires.
So suppose his flight plan is expiring in 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not exactly the flight plan, but you're not far. It is the slot.
Didn't hear that one.
Slot expiration, yeah.
The slot expires in 4 minutes. Yes. So this is information for the instruction. Here is instruction. Yeah. So please, let's find the instruction.
Can Express 9 Fox from Romeo. Good afternoon, I'm going to make my ready for departure. Yeah, good afternoon, Roger. However, please kindly expedite your taxi so that you can be ready at the runway once your cabin gets ready, because your slot is expiring in 4 minutes. Roger, thank you so much.
Anything? Okay. So he uses the word expedite. What is expedite?
In this context, no idea.
So go faster.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Go faster. So he says, I'll call you back. I'll call when ready for departure. Roger. However, kindly expedite your taxi. So you will be at the runway ready when the cabin is ready, because your slot expires in 4 minutes. Let's listen to it again.
Can Express 9 Fox from Romeo. Good afternoon, I'm going to ready for departure. Yeah, good afternoon, Roger. However, please kindly expedite your taxi so that you can be ready at the runway once your cabin gets ready, because your slot is expiring in 4 minutes. Roger, thank you very much.
Yes. Better?
Yeah, 100%
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Right, next one.
Alex Standard Foxtrot Romeo taxiway Lima 3 is approved. Are you ready for departure? Ready for departure. Sorry, I blocked you out. Are you ready for departure now? Yes, sir. Ready for departure. Okay, thank you. Sonic Standard Foxtrot Romeo via Lima 3, wind 260 degrees, 5 knots, runway 23 left, cleared for takeoff.
Longer interaction, yeah?
Yeah, much longer.
This is the same situation we had before. So he said, via, so he says, 9 Fox Romeo, are you ready now? Right? Pilot says yes. He says, sorry, I blocked you. Are you ready now? Pilot says yes. And then he says, via Lima 3, clear for takeoff. So that means that we have to have the intersection departure in the phraseology. Let's listen to it again.
Alex Standard Foxtrot Romeo taxiway Lima 3 is approved. Are you ready for departure? Ready for departure. Sorry, I blocked you out. Are you ready for departure now? Yes, sir. Ready for departure. Okay, thank you. Sonic Standard Foxtrot Romeo via Lima 3, wind 260 degrees, 5 knots, runway 23 left, cleared for takeoff.
Beautiful. So, what we do when we're flying is that we're going to cross from something that is called altitude to something that is called flight level.
Yeah.
And the specific moment or the specific vertical point in which we cross it is called the transition altitude. Yes, if we're doing on the way back, it's going to be called the transition level. And we're going to be flying from flight levels to flying altitudes. What is the point? The point is that after this point, after that, in this airspace, that will be the idea. Every plane has the same reference for altitude measuring. Yes, because below this point, we are going to have different ones, because one is going to be landing in Frankfurt, the other one is going to be landing in Munich, the other guy is going to be landing in, I don't know, Stuttgart, and the other one is going to be landing in Düsseldorf. And each one of these airports is going to have a different reference. So in order to standardize the reference, we have the transition altitude or the transition level. That means that from this point onwards, we're going to be referring to our altitude as flight levels, right?
Okay.
In Europe, this transition level is usually very low. So it's going to be 6,000 feet or 7,000 feet, right? In the US, it's going to be 18,000 feet.
Oh, a difference.
In the US is standardized. In Europe, it's not. Every airport has a different one. But it's more or less 60, 70, 50.